Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to load different tables into Power Query Editor. Now what Power Query Editor will allow us to do is it will allow us to take all of our different tables and filter out certain values and transform the values to add columns. And also send all of the values into a new worksheet, all merged together, right? So let's get started. So just click on Data, go over to Get Data, go down to From Other Sources, and then we're just going to click on Blank Query. Wait for it to load. You'll be given a text box here, and in here we're just going to type excel.currentworkbook, and excel.currentworkbook is going to load all of the tables currently stored in our file into Power Query Editor. So let's go ahead and do that. And Power Query Editor is case sensitive. So make sure that you put the capitals in the right places. As you can see, it also appears as an option to click on. So you can click that if you like. And don't forget an open bracket and a close bracket at the end. So let's go enter. Cool. Now all of our tables have been loaded into Power Query Editor. So I'll see you guys in the next video.